show you the fittings that they give you. So they give you these fittings to fix this, but yet when you cut this out, nothing left there to screw to. Pointless, absolutely pointless. So what we've got are some bolts, we've got some nuts. What we're going to do is I'm going to put these for attaching the back of mirrors and then hooking them onto the wall. We're going to fasten them up, let me show you, under here. There, you can see it there. So we've screwed down to underneath and obviously put the bolt through. So a little bit of a unboxing video today. Cable leg. Brackets. Cable. 1, 2. In the drain. So yeah, table to go in the van, some brackets to go on the back to hold it in when it's not in use. This rail to go on the kitchen bit for it to attach to. So that's the job today. Let's go on with it. See you in a bit. So there you go. It slides from underneath. See that? And that hooks on. Hooks onto the rail. And then you slide that underneath to stop that coming off. And then 2 pegs either side of the rail that attach to underneath the sink, and a couple of little caps, plugs to pull your screws up with. And on cue it starts to rain. So this got to be fitted on here, so that then the table will hook onto it. Put it too high and put it out, so it's really so just measure out centre for the leg. 6'5". the right screws so you don't come through the other side. On. Living the dream. And then just to lock it in place, just push them and it locks it in place. Pull it back and then get it off. Not really need to lock it in place, not going nowhere, but I get it. So it don't bounce off. So I'm putting these little caps in just to finish it off. So as before, and here's an after. Caps here, beautiful. New 3D number plates going on. So I'll take the number plate off, but these lips are going to be a problem, so we're going to have to cut them off so it's nice and flush. So this is going to be a problem. This is flat. It's spongy double-sided good grippy tape, but it's not as thick as what that is. That's going to cause a problem. So I might have to put 2 screws in this one. Unfortunately, didn't want to, but I think that's the only way it's going to stay on. It's not going to stay on otherwise. Pity. Job's a good one.